Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Disavow dissection with SEO Clarity Tools detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to Google Search Console. Log into your Google Search Console account and select the appropriate property. Navigate to the links section in the left sidebar. Review the links to your site, focusing on any that may be harmful. Export the list of referring domains for further analysis. Open your preferred SEO Clarity tool to process the exported data. Import the referring domains into the SEO Clarity tool. Analyze the domains for spammy metrics such as low domain authority or suspicious link behavior. Create a list of domains that you identify as toxic or harmful. Once you've compiled this list, prepare to create a disavow file. Open a text editor to draft your disavow file. Begin with the directive by typing #disavow file created for your website URL. For every toxic domain, double-check that each domain is formatted correctly. Save the disavow file with a .txt extension to ensure it's compatible. Return to Google Search Console and select the Disavow Links tool. Upload the newly created disavow file to the tool. Confirm the upload and monitor for any error messages. After successful submission, review the status of your disavow request. Continue to monitor your backlinks regularly for any changes. Reassess your disavow list periodically to maintain a clean backlink profile. Implement ongoing strategies to build high-quality backlinks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.